All cars are based on platforms. A platform contains the basic DNA of the car. Many companies build multiple models on a single platform as it enables them to save money in both development and manufacturing. This may be why you have seen someone point at an expensive Audi or Bentley and say, "That's just an overpriced VW," as some Audis and some Bentleys are based on the same platform as some VWs. In this video, I'll be looking at how platform sharing works, what it is, and examples of platform sharing, some of which may come as a shock to you. But firstly, what is a platform? A platform is the major component of the car. It consists of things like the chassis, suspension, steering mechanism, axles, and drivetrain components. A drivetrain is the system that connects the engine and transmission to the axles that drive the wheels. The body and the engine are mounted onto the platform. Now that we know what a platform is, let's look at platform sharing. Platform sharing is when two or more car models use the same platform. The bodies will be different, but underneath, the platform will be identical. This can happen with similar cars from one company, or it can even happen with cars from separate companies as part of an agreement. It enables the company to reduce costs, as instead of developing a separate platform for each model, they can use one for multiple models. For example, the Seat Leon shares its platform with the VW Golf. Seat and its parent company VW can save money in development, and manufacturing is made more simple as both the cars need the same parts. This type of platform sharing makes the cars nearly identical to each other. It's usually found in cheaper cars where the two cars are marketed to different audiences. To ensure that the cars are not identical to each other, manufacturers have made a new type of platform, the modular platform. Modular platforms enable you to make changes to the wheelbase, drivetrain, and suspension to make very different cars, all while still saving money. It's how small hatchbacks like the VW Polo can be based on the same platform as large family SUVs like the Skoda Kodiaq. The best example to illustrate platform sharing is the Volkswagen Group MQB platform that took $60 billion to develop. All cars that use this platform have a front-engine, front-wheel drive or four-wheel drive layout. Some models are identical, both platform and engine-wise, like the VW Golf, Seat Leon, and Skoda Octavia, but some models can be so different that you would never have guessed that they've shared a platform. This is like the 7-seater VW Touran family car and the 400 horsepower Audi TT RS. Regardless of what type of car they are, they all have to share the same front axle, pedal box, and engine position. VW saves 60% of development costs and can cut building time by 30%. Do you know any totally different cars that share a platform? Comment below.